Instana is an enterprise observability platform that ingests every monitoring metrics, trace every request, and profile every process. In this demo, we are going to see the installation and configuration of Instana agent on an OpenShift environment. Let's get into the demo. Let's get into OpenShift Cluster. I get into Instana to install the agent. I'm selecting OpenShift. And as a technology, I'm selecting Helm chart. There are three key aspects that we need to consider here. The first one is that we need to have the latest version of Helm. And the second one is we need to give the appropriate name for the cluster name. And the third one is on the zone name. We will use the cluster name and zone name to uniquely identify our system in Instana. The instance is up and running. Now I'm searching for the OCP prod. So you can see that I have multiple applications running. So the test system is one of the applications. It's an RTAS server. Let me get into the RTAS server and give some hits. So I'm doing few actions in the RTAS. Now we can see that Instana is monitoring the system. Now we will see the infrastructure view. So here you can see I have the money Belgium, but I configured as a zone.name. That ends the successful installation of the agent. Thank you.